Hi, it's Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. How do you get inspired? And why isn't being inspired important? Well, the fact is that new business development is a marathon. It is not a sprint. And so everything that you can do to keep yourself going on this fabulous journey is going to help you be even better at new business development. And one of the things that I find and that we tell our clients to do is find inspiration. Now, inspiration can be from a quote, it can be from a song, it can be from a movie, it could be from a sporting event. Whatever it is that you find inspiring, I want you to look at it or listen to it or read it every single day. And sometimes you can do it more than every single day, meaning do it 1 or 2 or 3 times a day. Because the fact is, at the end of the day, you want to be inspired. And the more inspired you are, the more likely you're going to pull people who want to work with you. So, this is your homework. Go out and figure out what inspires you and then incorporate that into your life every single day so that you can be even better at new business development. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen, and if you have a question that you'd like to ask me or a topic you'd like me to speak upon, feel free to email me at jean@getmoreresults.com. And if you want to be more inspired, feel free to click on the link in the email or in the caption to schedule a free coaching, no obligation session. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Go out and get results.